All right, Leo, we're here. Season's off and running. Got this beautiful 2024 Road Glide Special CVO. Let's see if I can get it. FLTRXSSTE. I didn't get it right?
Nope.
FLTRXSS. Yeah, you're right. FLTRXSTSE. Anyway, beautiful bike, 2024 Road Glide Special CVO. In for a 1,000 mile service, has about 1,050 miles on it. But guys, if you're looking for a 1,000 mile service, 5,000, 10,000, 40,000 mile service, we got the best prices around. 1K 275, 5K from 350, 10K 400, 40K from $500. Obviously that's for regular oil. It's $65 more for synthetic, but make your appointment. Same day service. We'll have you in and out. We got everything you need to get it done. But this beautiful FLTRXSTSE is all ready to roll.